kia ora te whānau, ngā mihi nui kia koutou, e mai takitaki mai nei I tēnei wā. Nei mai haere mai ki tēnei kura o Makara. Ka tū mātou mo te kōmiti whakahaere, mo te whetiwara mo ngā kura o Tūranganui a Kiwa. Ai ki ngā kōrero ko tēnei te tau 24, ka hara mai ngā kura katoa, ka tūtahi mō Tiranga, mō Tairāwhiti, kahuri, huri no tō tātou whānau, me tukaha nei, e mai tōne nei ngā tikanga tēnā koutou katoa. Hello, I'm Pura.
I'm Timata.
And we're part of this awesome crew. We've been asked to come in and assist and help with the Tūranganui a Kiwa Schools Cultural Festival. And it's been going for about 24 years. And the last couple of years, we've been fortunate enough to tag along with their awesomeness. And that's what brings us to this lovely kura here this morning, Makaraka. Makaraka's joined on with the festival this year. We've got about 7-8 schools that have joined together to form a formidable mass performance. There's hundreds of them. So we've got Campion, Central, St. Mary's, Cobham, Riverdale, Makaraka, to name a few. And what they've done this year, the festival committee has actually organised a tribute performance to two of our most prominent Māori composers of Māori music, icons of the kapa haka world, and legends in terms of Māori customs and beliefs as well. And that is to Ngāpo Wihi and Pimia Wihi, or as they're called down here, Uncle Bob and Auntie Nin. So through their works and their art forms and their teachings, we've been able to share some of the compositions that they've taught over the last 60 to 70 years and share them with the kids of today. And so some of the songs they're singing are probably as old as their grandparents, if not older, and some of them are quite modern. So we've made a tribute item of one of their own compositions to acknowledge all of those that have passed away. We miss you all. We then got a medley of various items from their composing and made a neat fun medley of action songs and poi, which we have a lot of fun with doing. And some of these kids may never have met koro or nan at all, but they've seen such as the magic of their compositions, that they're lapping the music up and they're really giving it a good go. The last item we're doing as a mass is a haka written by the Wihi whānau, particularly Uncle Bob, and it talks about our Māori superhero, Maui Pōtiki. Our journey has been short and we only put our 5 cents in with and join in with these awesome tamariki, but it's been an honour to come up to this far, and we're looking forward. I think we've got about a week left before showtime, and next week at this time it'll be too late, and it'll be ready to go. So if you end up watching this beforehand, make sure you're down at the festival next week, and on Thursday at about 2 o'clock is kick-off, and it's going to be awesome. And to all the parents and that, if they get up watching this, your kids are awesome, and it's been awesome hanging around with them.